Year 12 Maths Methods, finding the rule and the domain of a composite function. For this question we've got consider the functions f of x and g of x, find f of g of x and state its domain. F of g of x is going to be f of 1 on x, and so wherever we have an x in f of x we replace it with 1 on x, and so this is going to be 1 on x all squared plus 1, which is equal to 1 over x squared plus 1. The domain of a composite function is equal to the domain of its inner function, and so the domain of f of g of x is going to equal the domain of g of x. G of x is a basic hyperbola, and so its domain is going to be all real numbers except for x is equal to 0. And so therefore the domain of f of g of x is going to be for x values where x is all real numbers except for 0.